guess what? My life was so dull, so boring, and I'm absolutely sure you can relate this thing with me during this lockdown thing, right? Friends, my name is Lena, and here I'm gonna tell you one of the most exciting news. Well, this is all about virtual fashion show. Yes, you got it right. IFW, they have given us this wonderful platform to showcase our talent during this lockdown time, and we had amazing fun. I mean, making those videos, keeping yourself busy, and it was really exciting for me, and I'm sure you're gonna love this whole thing. And I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much, IFW, for giving me this wonderful platform and this wonderful opportunity to showcase my talent in front of all over the world and in front of all of you people as well, from India and people from India and from various countries as well. So, thank you so much, and I'm really looking forward towards it. Guess what? Your wait is over, and soon you're gonna watch all exciting and most beautiful models from IFW, and you're gonna love them from the bottom of your heart. Alright? And my kisses for you. I love you all from the bottom of my heart. Bye bye.